Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy you are here with us today. I am Anna, I am your friend, and I am very excited. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. I feel very positive and full of energy. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom. I am very happy to see you all again. I feel very calm and happy today. The weather is a little bit cold, but it is okay. I have a warm jacket and a big smile. It is a perfect day to learn English together. We are going to have a very good time.
Yes, Tom. Learning English is like a journey. We take small steps every day. Today, our journey takes us to a very important place. It is a place we all need to visit sometimes. Today, we are going to talk about the post office.
The post office. That is a great topic, Anna. I love the post office. It is a place full of stories and surprises. People send gifts and letters there. It is very practical for our friends. If you live in a new country, you need to know these words.
Exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe. If you like our channel, click the subscribe button. It helps us very much. Also, give us a like. We love to see your likes. They make us very happy.
And please write a comment. We love to read your comments. Tell us if you like the post office. Tell us if you send many letters. We are a big family here. Now, Anna, let us start our adventure. Imagine we are walking to the post office.
I am walking now. I have a big box in my hands. The box is a little heavy. I am walking on the street. I see the blue sign. It says post office. I feel a bit nervous because I want my package to arrive safely.
Don't worry, Anna. The post office is a friendly place. I am walking with you. I have a small letter in my pocket. The letter is for my grandmother. I feel happy when I write letters. It is a very kind thing to do.
We open the door. It is warm inside. There are many people. There is a line of people waiting. We call this a queue. We need to wait in the queue. How do you feel when you wait, Tom?
I feel patient. I look at the posters on the wall. I see many stamps. Stamps are small and colorful. I like looking at the pictures on the stamps. Some have flowers and some have famous people.
I see the counter. The counter is the long table where the worker sits. The worker is very busy. She is talking to a man. He is sending a very big package. I think it is a bicycle.
A bicycle in a box? That is a very big package. In the post office, we have letters and we have packages. A letter is small and thin. A package is big and heavy. I am holding my small letter. You are holding your big package.
Yes, my package is a gift for my sister. It is her birthday. I want to send her some books and a sweater. I need a box for my gift. Tom, do you see the boxes on the shelf?
Yes, I see them. There are small boxes and medium boxes and large boxes. They are made of brown cardboard. Cardboard is a strong material. You need a strong box so the books stay safe.
I also need an envelope for a card. An envelope is what we use for letters. It is made of paper. I have a white envelope and a yellow envelope. Which one is better, Tom?
I think the white envelope is very classic. It looks very clean. You put the letter inside the envelope. Then you must close the envelope. You can use glue or you can lick the paper.
Now it is our turn. We walk to the counter. The lady says hello. She is very kind. She has a big smile. I feel more relaxed now. I say hello to the lady.
The lady asks a question. She says, "How can I help you today?" This is a very common question. She wants to know our needs. I say, I want to send this letter to England.
And I say, I want to send this package to Spain. The lady looks at my package. She says, please put the package on the scale. The scale is the machine that tells us the weight.
Weight is very important. If the package is heavy, it costs more money. If the package is light, it costs less money. We use grams and kilograms. Your package is 2 kilograms, Anna.
2 kilograms is not too much. The lady says, okay. Now she looks at your letter, Tom. She says, your letter is very light. It only needs 1 stamp.
Only 1 stamp? That is good. But wait, I need to write the address. The address is the most important part. If the address is wrong, the letter is lost. I need to be very careful.
Yes, you write the name first. Then you write the house number, then the street name, then the city, and finally the zip code or postcode. The postcode is a group of numbers.
I am writing the address now. My handwriting is very clear. I want the postman to read it easily. The postman is the person who delivers the mail. He walks to the houses every day.
The lady asks me another question. She asks, "What is inside the box?" I tell her it is books and a sweater. She asks if there is anything dangerous. No, there is nothing dangerous. No glass and no liquids.
That is important for safety. Now the lady asks about the shipping. Do you want regular shipping or express shipping? Regular shipping is slow and cheap. Express shipping is fast and expensive.
I want my sister to get her gift fast. Her birthday is on Friday, so I choose express shipping. It is more expensive, but it is better. I want her to be happy.
For my letter, regular shipping is okay. My grandmother is not in a hurry. She likes to wait for letters. It is like a surprise. The lady tells us the total price.
The price for my package is $20. The price for your letter is $1. I take out my wallet. I have cash and I have a credit card. How do you want to pay, Tom?
I want to pay with cash. I have a $5 bill. I give the money to the lady. She gives me change. Change is the money you get back. She also gives me a receipt.
A receipt is a piece of paper. It shows how much you paid. For my package, the receipt has a tracking number. A tracking number is a code. I can use my computer to see where my package is.
That is very modern. You can see if the package is in the truck or in the airplane. I love technology. It makes life very easy. Now we have our stamps on the box and the letter.
We need to put the stamps in the right place. Usually, we put the stamp in the top right corner. The lady helps me. She sticks a big label on my box. Now it is ready to go.
We are finished. That was very easy. We learned many words today. We learned scale and weight and address and stamps. We learned package and envelope.
I feel very proud of us. We practiced a lot of English. Friends, did you understand the words? Let's repeat them. Scale, weight, address, stamps.
Package, envelope, counter, postman, receipt. These words are very useful. Try to use them tomorrow. Maybe you can go to the post office too.
Yes, it is a great way to practice. Before we go, please remember to like this video. If you liked Tom and Anna, please click the heart or the thumb. We appreciate you so much.
And please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We want to reach many people. We want everyone to learn English with a smile. You are all amazing students.
Thank you for your time today. I feel very happy because we spent this time together. I hope you have a beautiful afternoon. Drink some tea and relax.
Yes, stay warm and stay happy. English is a gift, and you are doing a great job. We will see you in our next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.